Hello, in this video we are going to cover comments, and well, you've already seen a comment. It's been literally in all of the programming Python videos that I've done so far, and it's this little thing. Yeah, this was just there by default in this online IDE. But yeah, what is a comment? So comment is something that isn't compiled and run by the compiler or the interpreter for that matter, so it's not run. And like, why would you want to use it? So it's great for providing some information about the code that's written there, because one, you might come back, a year later, 7 months later, and not quite know what it does, especially when it's a complex algorithm. Or two, you might be on a team of developers, and if they're looking at your code, you don't really want them to have to dry run, 100 lines of code in their head or on paper to figure out, sort of what it does. You just have one or two lines of comments that say, this does this, this does this. It'll help a lot. And the other, great benefit is if you've got code and you're trying to test it, what it's like without it, with it, instead of deleting it, because you don't want to have to delete it yet, just comment it out. So if I put a line like print 5, for example, this obviously prints 5. And if I put hash here, I say this line prints 5. So these two lines aren't going to get run. The other cool thing is if I put a hash at the start of here, this won't get run now. So it's called commenting out a line of code, and that just won't get run. So if we just wait for this to run and see what we get, or we get nothing. Successfully executed, but we literally got no result because this line was commented out. If I put it back in, and I'll be using comments throughout the videos for little nuggets to help you, especially with some of the more complex stuff. And there you go, it's working now. So yeah, that's the wonderful world of comments. Pretty much every language has some form of comments. They won't always have the same syntax, but the format in terms of the usage will be very similar. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.